GoodBarber Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the GoodBarber Mobile App Development Platform. Links to the product and other resources are in the description below. GoodBarber is a no-code platform designed to help individuals and businesses create professional quality mobile apps without needing advanced technical skills. It's a great solution for small businesses, agencies, content creators, and e-commerce entrepreneurs looking to expand their mobile presence. One of GoodBarber's standout features is its wide range of templates and customization options. Whether you're building an app for content, community, or e-commerce, their design tools let you tailor every detail to match your brand identity. The platform includes features like push notifications, CMS integration, and social media sharing, which are essential for keeping your audience engaged. You also get advanced analytics, so you can track app performance and user behavior right from the dashboard. For e-commerce, GoodBarber excels with features like multi-payment options, order management tools, and product catalog customization. Additionally, if you're creating a community-driven app, you'll appreciate features like user authentication, comment moderation, and content submissions. The platform also supports progressive web apps, PWAs, allowing you to create apps that function seamlessly across web and mobile devices. GoodBarber is particularly user-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners. The drag-and-drop interface simplifies the entire design process, while their extensive knowledge base and customer support ensure you're never stuck. For developers, there's an API integration option for advanced customization. Plus, GoodBarber handles app submission for the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, streamlining an often tedious process. Overall, GoodBarber provides an excellent balance of ease of use, functionality, and professional features. It's best suited for individuals and small to medium-sized businesses wanting a polished, mobile-first solution without hiring a developer. With competitive pricing and constant updates, it's a platform worth considering for your app development needs. If you're serious about building a mobile app, GoodBarber might just be the tool you've been looking for. Check it out through the links in the description.